Today's recipe is magic lemon cobbler. Right, we're going to place our butter in our 9 by 13 pan, and we're going to place this in the oven. And we're preheating our oven at 350, and this will melt our butter. So while that is melting, we're going to create our batter. So we're going to add the flour and the sugar and baking powder. We're just going to incorporate that all together. Then we're going to whisk in our milk and vanilla. We're just going to stir this until it becomes a smooth batter. Now, with this recipe, we're using lemon pie filling, but you could use any type of pie filling. I think this would work with any other kind. So now we've taken our pan out of our preheated oven, and the butter is all melted. So we're just going to pour our batter on top of the melted butter. And we're not going to stir it into the butter. That is the important part. Do not stir it. All right, now that we have that in the pan, we're going to add our pie filling. And we'll just place it as evenly as possible on top of the batter. And again, we do not want to stir it. It's such an easy recipe to make. And tastes great warm or cold. Please comment below and I'll respond to all your comments. Now we'll place this in our oven and we'll bake it for 40 to 45 minutes or until the top is golden brown and the edges are bubbly. And let it cool before you serve. You could dust it with some icing sugar or whipping cream would be a great addition. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.